With exam time drawing near for the students of the University of Tennessee, the question reappears of how can I possibly get all of this work done? The end of the semester usually means final projects, final papers, and even final tests before final exams. So many students have found methods for coping with the large workload. One option that is growing in popularity for students is choosing to use cognitive enhancers such as Adderall in order to get an edge on their schoolwork. Adderall is a stimulant most commonly used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, yet students are obtaining prescriptions to the drug in order to manage their overcommitted lifestyles. One student of the university believes that without Adderall he would not be graduating this May with the grade point average that he has achieved with the drug. Although there could be some positive results from the use of cognitive enhancers, there are also many negative side effects that could occur. The Food and Drug Administration reports side effects that could include nervousness, headaches, sleeplessness, and decreased appetite, among many others. April Anderson, a junior studying pharmacy, believes that Adderall has become an overly prescribed and abused medicine. She feels strongly about the fact that the best way for college students to become more focused is through self-discipline. Although this seems like a simple option for students, their busy schedules and trying to balance an academic and social life make cognitive enhancers seem like their saving grace.